What is up, guys? Welcome to the video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a water filter out of things you probably already have laying around. So enough talking, and let's get into the things you're going to need to make this water filter. Okay, so the things you're going to need is some sand, some rocks, some charcoal. You guys probably already know where to get charcoal from. It's charred wood from the fire. A heat source to boil your water when you're done filtering it. 2 plastic water bottles, and a knife. Some kind of piece of fabric that you don't care about anymore, and something to crush up your charcoal. So let's get into building the water filter. Alright, so you're going to want to take your 2 water bottles, and you're going to want to cut one at the bottom of the water bottle. So that would be like right here. So I cut off the bottom here. It's a really bad cut, I know. You guys don't need to comment on that. So this is garbage, you don't need that. Now you're going to want to take your other bottle and you're going to want to cut the top off right here. Now we cut off the top, and I don't need this either. You're also going to need some kind of piece of string or something like this. If you're in a survival situation, you can use a piece of grass or something like that. First thing you're going to need to do is bottles aside, and you're going to want to start crushing up your charcoal. So I have this little charcoal container here, and I'm going to take out a couple pieces of it. And you're going to need about that much. And I'm going to take my copper pipe, and I'm just going to crush up the charcoal. Alright guys, so I'm done crushing my charcoal here. This is about the consistency you're going to want. It still has some big pieces in it, but it's mostly all powder. So now you're going to want to grab your bottle, unscrew the cap, take your piece of fabric, and I'm using a glove here, and I'm going to cut out a small square of it. Alright, so now I have my fabric, and I'm going to put it on the bottom of the water bottle. I'm going to grab my piece of string, tie your piece of fabric onto the cap of the water bottle. So now I put a hole in the top of the water bottle cap, screw it on over top of the fabric. So now I have the cap over top of the fabric. I know it looks kind of ugly, but that doesn't matter. So now that your fabric is on, you're going to take all your charcoal, dump it inside there. Now, as you can see, the charcoal is in the bottom of the water. Now you're going to take your sand, and you're going to dump some sand on top of the charcoal. Put all my sand in, and now we're going to put rocks in. Now, we have charcoal on the bottom, sand for top of the charcoal, and then we have gravel or rocks. So now you're going to take your other half of the water bottle, drop that right in there. So guys, I went and I collected some of this really yummy water right here. This is perfectly okay to drink. You wouldn't get sick from this. And now we're going to filter it just to make sure it's okay to drink.
Let's put this on.
Now I'm going to get Landon to hold the filter while I pour the yummy water in. It'll take a while for the water to go through. It'll just start dribbling through the bottom. Oh yeah, we'll be back when all of the water is filtered through. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the water here. As you can see, it's clear. Still little pieces of dirt floating around in it. Also, this thing takes a really long time to filter the water, and I think that's because I put too much sand in it. Alright guys, so we're back. I got my water here, and I have this little camp stove that I'm going to use to boil the water. In one of my old videos, we did a review on this camp stove. Right now we're done boiling the water, and we have a clear glass of water here. A quick comparison, we went from this muddy water to clean water. So now I'm going to wait for this water to cool off, and then we're going to drink it. And now, just to make sure all the impurities are out, we're going to dump it through this coffee filter. Now our water is as clean as can be. Now I'm going to go put this in the fridge. When it's cold, we're going to test it. Alright guys, so I'm back. I put some ice cubes in the water to help cool it down quicker. Now we're going to test this. Alright guys, so I got my water here, and let's just test it now. It's actually pretty good. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and if you did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. If you have any video ideas, then make sure to comment down below so I can see them. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys have an awesome rest of your day.